Hi, I'm Yungun. A lot of people ask me where is the flight record folder's location because since like last year it's gone. Normally when we like crash our drone, we have to go inside the flight record folder and then try to send this file as a manual sent by DJI. But I don't know why is it intentionally or not, but it's hidden right now. So even though you go inside the flight record folder, which was inside the DJI, and then DJ Go V5, and we went inside this flight record, and then it's not here. It's like 2021. So where to find this is you have to download another file manager, which is called Explore File Manager. Install this, and what this program does is that it finds the hidden folders inside your Android phone. So this is how you find. You open it, and then it's going to ask you about the security, about the access to your folders. Turn it on so you can access to every files, and then go to the program again, and then this is where it is. Go inside here, click Android, click data, and then continue, and then here you have to go down, and then you're going to find this DJI V5, which is right here, and then go inside files, go inside the flight record. There it is. That's the where hidden file is. So send this flight record to DJI when you crash your drones. It's quite simple, right?